Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen, as price seems to have found support at the previous structure lows and the key demand zone around about 81. We can see on this daily chart currently in front of us that the market bounced from here a while ago, and also on the weekly time frame closed above this. So if I just jump to the weekly time frame, you can see that we've closed above this level quite often, and the market has always sort of bounced from this level, especially recently. So what can we expect? Now I expect this market to bounce from here and potentially head back towards this weekly trend line resistance. So just taking a look at the daily time frame, there's a nice pin candle there potentially showing us some upside to come, with potential first targets back up in here. I went long on this last week and profited up in here. Market's now fallen back down. Are we going to see that push again back up into that 82.40 region? Now just going down into the 4-hour time frame, what we're looking at, what can we see though? So we can see that we've bounced from this area already, and the recent high was back up around about this 81.60 level. So I think if anything's going to happen, we need to see some potential upside into this 81.60. okay, so if we see a nice push up on the 4-hour time frame, look for the pullback in, continuation trade up into that 82.40 area. Now if that doesn't happen and the price falls back down, I think we can look at this sort of demand zone back down into that 81 area again, maybe look for our first higher low, and then look for a push up potentially. What I'm looking at is maybe a inverse head and shoulders pattern, very much like what we looked at on pound yen. So yesterday we discussed the fact that yen was selling off and pound yen is at this level, very similar. CAD yen is at this level. It's yen is selling off, but also dollar CAD is back up at that structure high, and the market is just holding back at this resistance currently. So what we may see is what we are seeing is the Canadian dollar is stronger than the Japanese yen currently, which is giving us that nice little boost higher. So what we're expecting is that to continue. We want to see some higher highs form here, or if you're a moving average trader like myself, you want to look for your averages to cross over first before getting involved. And what we're seeing at the minute currently is the fact that price is just in with those moving averages at the moment. So we want to see a clear break above this higher high, pull back in, continuation move just in there. Okay, so keep your eyes on CAD yen. This is a chart that I like a lot, especially if that weekly time frame, because I know it's Friday tomorrow, closes back within this candlestick range. It gives us a good opportunity to look for those long opportunities going into the next week. Okay, so keep your eye on CAD yen. It's a really good chart to watch at the moment. Keep an eye on the stock market as well. If the stock market starts to rise, it should add confluence to our area here on CAD yen. So thanks for watching. It's been John Kibler, head currency analyst of Blueberry Markets. If you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the channel for more content. Hit that notification bell to be alerted when another trade idea comes out. If you're watching on TradingView, please comment. Follow us here as well. How do you see this market playing out? Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.